been product shopping, as my mother calls it. Went to Walmart to get a bunch of stuff that I seem to think that I need. Stick around, I'll show you some of the products that I bought that I probably have reviews up already that I really like. Look at all that. I'm not sure I was emotionally stable enough to go to Walmart today, but I went anyway because the task has to be done, whether one is up to it or not. That's a lot of stuff. And there's more. There it is. Some of this stuff I'll be doing new reviews of. Some of it I've already done reviews of. Some of it I haven't. Now I gotta put all this stuff away, make a video, and then I'm gonna sit down and eat my chips and salsa and watch Mad Men. This I have a review up. This is my very favorite thing to drink when I get up in the morning. It's juice and it's got a little bit of caffeine in it, so it gets me going. Awesome stuff. This I have a review up. I like to take these instead of eating yogurt. I don't have a review up of these, but these are the best razors ever. Cheap napkins. Don't have a review of this up, but probably won't. I just like it. I already have a review of the Lysol, using it in my bathroom with the Fabuloso, I believe, and I also use it straight to keep my shower clean and disinfected. Yes, I'm going to do a review with some turkey and California mix. Where's that stuff? I can get it for you. Yeah. It's California blend. And some spaghetti sauce somewhere. That's what that is. Here's some Walgreens stuff. I have some reviews up for CoverGirl. I have a card for Rachel because she likes cards. I can't let her see it because she might watch this video before I get the card to her. Got me some cheaters. My contacts are not in. I'm going to do a review of this because I'm going to be out in the sun a little bit, so I wanted to get a little bit of caffeine. I don't really like grape drinks, but anyway, we'll see. Oh, here's the spaghetti sauce. So spaghetti sauce, California, what'd I say? blend. We'll use those cheese. I'll show you how to make something that tastes good. These aren't Bug Lights, but I've got to put something in the front porch. And ugh, I hate mice. I hate mice. So I'm doing a video capture of my journey about capturing mice. So we'll see how that goes. Got some new argan oil. I'll do a video about that. Some Pantene shampoo. Oh, this is the best tanning lotion I have ever tried. Smells good, stays on, fades a little erratically, but gives a great color. And I'm going to try that. And these are, because I got to work on my deck. And I think it's missing some screws, like probably I am. And I've got to do some repairs with electrical tape. These are the best. The Swiffer Sweeper. Don't buy the Great Value brand. I have a video up about comparing the two. The Great Value brands are awful. Leave the floor sticky. It's just gross. And I had to get 24. It's going to last me for like 6 months until Christmas probably, but that's okay because I wanted the Gain scent, not the Febreze scent. I just do not like the smell of Febreze. Got to put the batteries in my clock and my radio in the shower. This is like my favorite stuff for the Keurig machine, and they had it marked down. I only bought 4 because I had a buggy full of food. Buggy, y'all say buggy? Cart. I had a cart buggy full of. Anyway, I didn't have room for it. And I'm having this and this for dinner because Walmart. This, I think I've had this before. I'll do a review of that. But I think this is similar to something I've had before. Again, summertime water drinking. I have a review up about my favorite pre-workout drink, Monster. There's some turkey I'll be cooking for my California blend and spaghetti mix in the cheese video. I think this is exactly one of the popcorns I did a review of because I'm going to sit at night and watch all the reruns of Mad Men on Netflix and eat popcorn every single night for the rest of my vacation. There's the rest of my Starbucks toffee nut that Hannah turned me on to. It is the best flavor. Walnuts for my oatmeal. Quest bars because that's what I like to eat for lunch. Best butter salt for, yeah, I'll put it on top of that anyway. Quest bars are awesome. My oatmeal, I like the 3-minute oats. I have a video up comparing the 3-minute versus the 1 minute. This is a great snack for me. The light string cheese has 45 calories and 6 grams of protein per. It's a nice little snack. Guilt-free. Then, in here, I have a video up about the pine scent ones of these and also the blue and the yellow ones. I learned that I want the ones with the bleach in them. They only had the pink and the white if you wanted bleach, so I'll probably do a review of those or follow up. This is not for my hair. This is actually going to be a school tip. Yeah, it's going to be a school tip. Can't remember if I've done a review on this or not. I'll have to check. I've got one for the jet drive, and I know it was good. This goes with that. I learned, well, I didn't learn. I'm going to see. I watched a video where a man said to hot glue a doggy treat or piece of dog food on here, and the animal has to like try to get it off, and it's going to snap him. I've been putting peanut butter on them, and the animals just like lick it off, and then they go scot-free. And scot-free is not what I'm after here. And some cortisone cream, because I don't know what I do with mine. I've got like a little itchy rash from the beach last week. I stayed out in the sun a little bit too long. And I am an old man. I like crew socks. I like black crew socks. I'm an old man. And toilet paper, because everybody has to go. You might as well enjoy it. Oh, I hate that commercial, but hey, here I am reciting it to you. And my favorite water.
sunny.
Thanks for watching my video about my product shopping at Walmart. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment. Until next time. Let's just do what we have to do, right? Bye. If you have time, watch the video. Take care. Bye.